Special education services are defined as specialized instruction, which is different than an accommodation or a modification. Specialized instruction means tailoring the instruction of this educational material to meet the student's individual needs. After aging out of the early intervention system at age 3, children in the United States qualify for special education at age 3. The system from 3 to 5 is a little different, but once they hit age 5, they qualify under the school district for every service available that they need. A free appropriate public education, or as it's commonly known, a FAPE, is an education that meets the child's individual needs to learn at the maximum extent possible for their disability and their needs at the capacity that they're capable, provided by the public school district.